Hey everybody, a lot of times people ask me what I do to help power myself and fuel around these big mountains I've done around the world. And about 3 years ago, I started something called a Seven Summits Smoothie. I love it. It's super yummy and it also helps build up muscle and things like that. So let's just go through the ingredients really quickly. So the first liquid I always put in the blender is either almond milk and or water to kind of blend with that. It's whatever you want to do. When I get almond milk, it's unsweetened. Then I have my bananas, just one that goes in. My protein powder, this is Naked Shake. I always use a whey and or protein, plant-based protein from Q Sciences. It's really good. As we get into all these different ingredients, the collagen, both from Q Sciences, this I got from Trader Joe's. That is great for your face. I put in almond butter. I don't use a peanut butter. It's a little bit more in fat. We've got the flax seed right here. We've got some great mixes. This is from Laird Superfood, cacao and turmeric. Then I get into my greens, which you can see right here, to help cleanse the body in all the right ways. And then to really give it that extra flavor, and you can use one of these berries. You don't have to use them all, but I like to do kind of a combination of raspberry, blueberry, and strawberry. I don't try to put a ton in there and try to reduce the sugar. So once you do that, it's all in the blender. It is ready to go. And the next thing, and the only thing we need to do left is blend. Yum. Enjoy.